Soap dish. Includes 2 built-in hooks to hold razors. Easy to install and remove. Suction cup technology. Mommy's Helper, Inc. was founded in 1986 in Addison, in the family's basement. Originally starting out with a single item developed by a stay-at-home mom, the line has now grown to over 60 products. In 1992 the family relocated to Wichita, Kansas, and the business has remained there since. In 2005 Mommy's Helper developed the MHI, Safe Grip, suction cup technology, balance assist bar line. Using this technology, the line was invented and designed for mobility, safety and convenience. Originally the line consisted of an 11.5 and 17 inches bar, but has now grown to include 4 bars styles and 10 bathroom accessories. Built with superior quality, they provide safety and convenience for changing lifestyles. Safe Grip suction cup soap dish with razor hooks allows you to position the soap dish where desired on bathroom wall. Includes 2 built-in hooks to hold razors. Easy to install and remove with suction cup technology. Must attach to smooth, dry, non-porous surfaces. Must have adult supervision. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. This was even easier to put on than I was expecting. Put it against a clean smooth surface, push the lever. Done. Tried wet and dry, both work, surprisingly. Drainage slots are great. Razor holders are great. Dish is deep enough that soap won't leave it, but shallow enough that you can reach the soap without having to pick it up. The suction power is excellent, even for my roommate who likes to rub his hand over the soap rather than lifting it. If you have someone who is going to run their hands over the soap bar, getting soap residue all over it, you're not going to be able to use the holders for your razors, as the soap will cause them to rust in a couple days. Still well worth it for us though, even for just the soap dish.